Yo, what's up, boys? It's me, Tujer. Today we're doing a little special video. It's actually my first video doing a GT60 build. We got PBTFANS Tofu 60 Redux Black Gateron Rubys. Now, I know that this is a very basic run-of-the-mill black build, but I just wanted something that can go with all my pads. So yeah, just gonna swap out to a cloth pad because I don't want to scratch that. When you open the box, you get a little quick start guide, PCB itself, and some screws. Tofu. Everybody knows what comes in the tofu. It's been around for like, I don't even know how long, bro. Like, so long, years and years. Is the GT60 screwed in stabilizers, as you can see. Pretty nice. This is supposed to be like the Venom, or even better. I've seen quite a few reviews, and yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, bet. Switches are all in. Here's how it looks. Alright, let's get into it. I'm probably going to do another time lapse on this one again, because, yeah. Alrighty. Here is the complete Gateron GT60 build in the Tofu Redux. Very clean. Yeah. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please consider supporting this video in any way possible. Even you just watching it is support, but please consider leaving a like, subscribe, maybe and comment. That would help out so much because this is my first video. I'm trying to get started on here. I got a review coming in a few weeks on the Empress. This is a great pad based off first impressions. If you fuck with it, subscribe, and peace out guys. Till next time.